Alright, good luck, man. Toronksu, I'll open your box first. We'll save your box topper till last unless you want your box topper open first. Throwing your box all around, man. 08's Finest Football Mini Box. Good luck. Thank you, sir. Hope it's nasty. Good luck. Thanks again. Another Forte. I know, right? We only opened a few boxes of this stuff and a few Forte autos. Alright, here we go. Good luck. First up, you got base card Randy Moss, D'Angelo, and Kellen Winslow. Your autograph is right here already. Josh Johnson, QB for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Last I remember, I think he was a backup at San Fran. Not sure where he's at now. Josh Johnson, not numbered, rookie auto. Ooh, Bucks box, Joey Galloway refractor, not numbered. Josh Johnson, sorry Justin. That's all good, man. I'll send it to you if you want it or if you can flip it. It's all good. Appreciate it, regardless. Alright, next up, base cards, you got Fred Taylor, Hasselbeck, Derek Mason, and Edge. Rookie refractor of Jamal Charles. It's not too shabby. This one is numbered 93 of 699. Jamal Charles refractor. Not sure what the color on that would be called. Pack 3, you got Roddy White, Brian Westbrook, Clinton Portis. Finest Moment refractor, Drew Brees. And Mark Bulger refractor. Bulger will not be numbered. Brees is 130 of 199. Nice looking. Never heard of the guy, but nice looking card. Next up, you got Rudy Johnson, Kocheri, Romo, and Torrey Holt base with a Jake Long rookie Finest Moments. Pretty sure this is rookie. Finest Moments refractor, not numbered. Rookie. Fast Willie, OC, Leinert, a green Kellen Winslow, and a refractor of Randy Moss. Winslow is 148 of 299. Moss is not numbered. Last pack, Superfractor on the way. Oh, this dude just got beat up on TV. Jamal Lewis, LT, Adai, T.O., and Mike Hart, Finest Moment rookie. Not numbered. Alright, Justin. Thanks, man. Got your Brady over here. Hopefully it's something good. Sorry, not the strongest little mini box here. No auto. Brady finest moments. That is going to be numbered 490 of 629. That does it, man. Sorry, nothing strong in there. Some nice refractors and stuff. But appreciate it, Justin. No problem. Thank you. End this recording. Be right back with you.